Everything begins here, where fertile eggs are laid naturally across vast breeder farms every morning.
Thousands of hens lay continuously, producing massive volumes of fertile eggs across these enormous agricultural barns daily.
Each warm egg is freshly laid, containing living potential that will supply the nation's massive poultry industry.
Across acres of land, these breeder flocks generate millions of fertile eggs, forming the raw supply daily.
These fertile eggs accumulate rapidly, becoming the essential raw material that feeds America's industrial chicken supply. Workers carefully collect each fertile egg, preparing them for safe transport toward the industrial incubation facility. Eggs are organized onto transport belts, moving steadily in large batches toward centralized collection points.
Collected trays are stacked in bulk, forming massive pallets ready for immediate shipment to hatcheries.
Forklifts transfer thousands of eggs at once, moving entire pallets toward trucks for large-scale hatchery transport.
Loaded trucks depart together, carrying millions of fertile eggs toward massive industrial hatchery facilities nearby.
At the hatchery, millions of uniform light brown eggs enter automated systems, beginning large-scale industrial incubation processing. Automated conveyors guide every egg forward, organizing massive volumes with precise spacing for controlled industrial handling.
Eggs pass through industrial cleaning tunnels, where rotating brushes and sanitizing sprays remove dust and surface contaminants.
High-speed air systems dry each egg completely, ensuring clean, moisture-free shells before precise incubation handling begins.
Bright candling lights inspect every egg internally, detecting cracks or defects through high-speed automated optical scanning. Automated sorters instantly remove damaged eggs, allowing only strong, viable shells to continue toward incubation systems.
Robotic systems load thousands of eggs simultaneously, placing them into trays with perfect alignment and speed.
Loaded racks travel automatically toward incubation chambers, carrying thousands of eggs in controlled, climate-regulated batches. Massive incubation chambers receive the racks, sealing them inside carefully controlled environments for precise embryo development.
Warm air flows constantly around the eggs, maintaining stable temperature and humidity for uniform embryo growth.
Automated turning systems gently rotate each tray, preventing embryo sticking and ensuring healthy, even development inside. Precision climate systems regulate heat and humidity, creating stable conditions required for consistent embryo development. Computerized controls constantly monitor every chamber, automatically adjusting airflow, heat, and humidity across millions of eggs. Automated sensors scan embryo heat patterns, verifying healthy development and identifying irregularities without stopping production. After initial incubation, full racks transfer automatically, advancing together toward the next controlled development stage.
Setter incubators secure the trays, maintaining precise heat and airflow for the critical early growth phase.
High-capacity fans circulate warm air evenly, ensuring every egg receives identical temperature throughout the chamber. Programmable turning systems rotate the trays regularly, preventing sticking and supporting balanced embryo formation. Automated humidifiers add precise moisture levels, preventing shell dehydration and maintaining ideal incubation conditions. Random samples undergo continuous scanning, verifying shell strength and development consistency across every production batch. High-intensity candling checks internal growth again, confirming embryos develop uniformly before advancing deeper into incubation. Integrated scales measure tray weights continuously, helping verify moisture loss and proper embryo development accuracy. Robotic gantries reposition full racks automatically, balancing loads and maintaining steady flow between incubation zones. Pre-warming tunnels gradually stabilize shell temperature, preventing shock and preparing eggs for consistent incubation conditions.
Rotating loaders arrange eggs into incubation trays quickly, aligning thousands at once with perfect mechanical precision.
Automated lifts stack trays into tall incubation towers, maximizing space while maintaining continuous high-volume processing. Balanced airflow reaches every tray equally, ensuring consistent oxygen exchange and stable heat distribution throughout incubation. Sanitation systems apply controlled sterile mist, reducing contamination risks while maintaining safe incubation environments. Real-time analytics track every parameter continuously, allowing automated adjustments to maintain perfect incubation stability.
Timed micro-rotations keep embryos centered, promoting balanced growth and improving hatch consistency across all trays.
After early development, trays transfer automatically to hatcher lines for the final stage of embryo maturation.
These giant hatchers provide intensified heat and airflow, supporting the final days before chicks begin breaking shells. Temperature rises gradually inside the hatcher, accelerating embryo growth and preparing chicks for synchronized hatching. With rising warmth and oxygen, chicks begin breaking their shells, starting the natural hatching process inside. Across every tray, chicks emerge together, breaking shells in synchronized waves throughout the massive hatching chamber.
Freshly hatched chicks exit the chambers on conveyors, moving immediately into automated post-hatch handling systems.
Separation systems remove empty shells automatically, allowing only healthy chicks to continue along the processing line.
High-speed optical counters track every chick precisely, recording quantities and organizing flow for large-scale handling.
Automated spray systems apply protective vaccines quickly, safeguarding thousands of chicks in a single continuous pass.
Warm air dries the chicks rapidly, ensuring comfort and preventing moisture stress before automated sorting begins.
Thousands of uniform chicks move together, guided automatically along conveyors toward the next processing stage.
Automated graders separate and space the chicks evenly, creating consistent groups for accurate counting and handling.
Machine vision systems inspect every chick's condition, automatically diverting irregular birds to maintain uniform, healthy batches. Robotic packers count precise quantities, placing chicks into crates quickly for organized, large-scale transport preparation.
Each crate is weighed automatically, verifying uniform batch size and ensuring consistent density for safe handling.
Climate systems stabilize temperature and airflow, keeping the chicks comfortable and reducing stress before final dispatch. Automated labeling assigns tracking codes, linking every crate to its batch, destination, and production records.
Robotic palletizers stack crates rapidly, forming stable loads ready for large-scale transport to broiler farms. Protective wrapping stabilizes each pallet, preventing shifting while maintaining airflow for the chicks during handling.
Autonomous carriers transport full pallets efficiently, routing each batch toward designated dispatch zones inside the facility. Final sanitation reduces contamination risks, ensuring every shipment leaves the hatchery under strict biosecurity standards.
Stacker cranes position pallets temporarily, organizing batches efficiently while awaiting scheduled farm distribution loading.
Climate-controlled trucks receive the chicks carefully, maintaining airflow and temperature for safe transport to farms.
Large-scale logistics fleets move thousands of chicks simultaneously, delivering them rapidly to commercial broiler farms nationwide. Automated feeding lines deliver measured grain continuously, helping every bird grow faster and maintain uniform weight.
Precision drinker lines supply clean water on demand, maintaining hydration and supporting rapid, healthy broiler growth. High-capacity ventilation systems regulate airflow and temperature, creating stable conditions for uniform, stress-free growth.
Sensors analyze growth data continuously, allowing the system to adjust feed and climate for maximum efficiency.
Within weeks, controlled nutrition and environment accelerate growth, transforming small chicks into full-size broilers efficiently.
Overhead scanners monitor flock health continuously, detecting irregular movement or temperature changes across thousands of birds instantly.
Litter conditioning machines refresh the floor surface, controlling moisture and maintaining clean, healthy rearing conditions. Bulk silos deliver tons of feed automatically, ensuring uninterrupted supply for continuous, large-scale broiler growth.
Automated partitions manage bird density, distributing space evenly to promote consistent growth and reduce crowding stress.
Automated catching conveyors collect mature broilers calmly and efficiently, preparing the flock for large-scale processing transport.
Fully grown broilers arrive at the processing complex,
where high-capacity systems prepare them for large-scale meat production. Overhead conveyor lines secure each bird uniformly, enabling steady, high-speed movement through the processing stages ahead.
A controlled stunning system ensures humane handling, calming each bird before the next processing stage begins.
Precision automated modules perform rapid primary processing, maintaining consistency while handling thousands of birds every hour. Scalding tanks loosen feathers, and rotary pickers remove them efficiently, preparing clean carcasses for further processing.
Rapid chilling systems lower meat temperature quickly, preserving freshness, safety, and quality across the entire production line.
Robotic cutters divide each carcass accurately, producing uniform portions while maintaining high-speed industrial efficiency.
The audio is dominated by the loud, steady rumble of machinery and the rapid whirring and
Large tumbling drums distribute seasoning uniformly, enhancing flavor while maintaining consistent texture across every batch.
Continuous tunnel ovens cook the chicken evenly, locking in moisture while preparing ready-to-eat products at industrial scale. Rapid cooling stabilizes the cooked meat, reducing temperature quickly to protect texture, flavor, and food safety standards.
Precision weighers portion each pack accurately, while automated sealers protect freshness inside airtight retail packaging. Automated labeling systems add dates and trace codes, ensuring full product tracking and compliance with safety regulations.
Robotic palletizers organize finished cartons, moving bulk orders into cold storage for nationwide distribution and delivery.
From cold storage, products reach supermarkets quickly, where neatly stocked shelves make fresh chicken available to customers.
Customers choose freshly packed chicken daily, turning large-scale factory production into everyday household meals.
At home, the packaged chicken is prepared with fresh ingredients, transforming factory-processed meat into a homemade meal.
Heat seals in the juices as the chicken cooks evenly, developing a rich aroma and golden, crispy texture.
From hatchery to home, the entire journey ends here. Nutritious chicken served fresh on the family table.
Millions of eggs, advanced farming, precise processing, and careful packaging, all working together to deliver safe,